Yeah, Sierra 7. From Madeira dreams to the desert throne. 41 is still owning the zone. Born in a storm, forged in a flame. Madeira boy with a lion's mane. From sporting green to the Bernabeu lights, he turned pressure to goals in the dead of night. 5 Ballon d'Or, 5 golden crowns, 40 Champions League goals, he shut them all down. Now in Riyadh, the Desert King roars, scoring hat tricks while the legends pause. He defies time, gravity doubt, body like marble, mentality devout. Free kick rockets, bicycle thunder, every defender left in wonder. They watch him train while the world sleeps. 4 AM gym, no time for the weak. Abs of steel, heart of a warrior. CR7 the chosen, the carrier.
Oh, Cristiano, king of the pitch forever. Goals rain down like stormy weather. Luxury life, private jets in the sky, but the hunger in his eyes will never die. He rises again at 41, he's breaking every chain. World Cup dreams and 26 glow make the whole planet scream. CR7 go.
They envy the grind, they envy the glow, they envy the man who refuses to slow. Ronaldo, the world wants you grown, but legends like you walk this earth alone. All Nazar's are colors, but Portugal blood, chasing 1,000 goals like a flood. Middle East king, globe soccer crown, still scoring 24 plus while they count him down. 6 World Cup, calling his name. Bruno says we'll win it for the flame. From Euro 2016, hero to desert fire, he turns every doubt into fuel and desire. Private island, Bugatti's in line, but the real flex is discipline divine. No excuses, no nights getting wild, just cold water, hard work, and that killer smile. He built an empire from nothing but will, turn impossible into watch me I will. Kids in every country wearing number 7, dreaming they can be the next CR7. He is poetry in motion, thunder in veins, a symphony of power, breaking all chains. Time bows down when Ronaldo runs, history rewrites with every goal he guns. From the streets of Funchal to global acclaim, he carries the fire, he carries the name.
Oh, Cristiano, immortal in the light, you turn mortal years into endless flight. They envy your body, your mind, your soul, the way you make the impossible feel whole. Let the whole world know at any age you steal the show.
2026, my final dance might be near, but the legacy you built will echo for years. Ronaldo, CR7, the greatest, forever. They can copy the celebration, they can wear the clothes, but they never have the heart that only CR7 knows.